Hey everyone, here are the top 5 coolest nightclubs in America. Let's go! Number 5, Livy, Miami. Celebrities from the NBA and Hollywood party here all the time. If you want to spot a star, this is the place. Number 4, XS, Las Vegas. Famous for its massive pool parties under the open sky. Fun fact, it's one of the most expensive clubs ever built. Number 3, Marquee, New York. This is where many legendary DJs started their careers. The Manhattan vibe here is absolutely electric. Number 2, Story, Miami. Known for insane laser shows, fire effects, and surprise performances by world-famous rappers. And number 1, Omnia, Las Vegas. Its giant chandelier actually moves with the music. It's more than a club, it's a breathtaking show. That was the top 5 nightclubs in America. Which one would you go to first? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more top lists.